Hey scholars, so for today's lesson, we're just going to review what we've been talking about this week with time. So when we had time, we had our two different clocks. We had our analog clock, which has the face of the clock with the numbers all the way around it, and our two hands, the hour hand and minute hand. And then we had the digital clock, which just simply just says the numbers, what time it is. This is the hour and this is the minutes. So this clock, our hour hand was at the 3, so we have the 3 for our hour. And then our minute hand's at the 12, so we would say 3 o'clock, or we could say for the digital 3:00. So today we're going to practice just writing our answers for the analog clock using a digital clock answer. So we have 3 different times for analog clocks. So our first one, remember when we're talking about our time, we always start with our shorthand or the hour hand. So I'm going to come and look and see my hour hand is pointing to the 5, so my hour is 5. So remember our hour hand number goes on this side of the dots. Now I need to figure out my minute, so now I'm going to look at my minute. My minute hand is all the way at the 12, so what do we put for the minutes? I don't put 5:12. What do I put for my minutes? It's 5. Right, it's 5 o'clock. So to show o'clock, I put my 2 zeros. So it's 5:00, which says 5 o'clock. Then my next one, so again, we always start with our hour hand. So I'm going to look at my hour hand, and it's pointing to what number? Right, it's pointing to the 1. So I'm going to write 1 for my hour. Now I'm going to look at my minute hand, and again it's pointing to the 12. So when our minute hand's pointing to the 12, what do we put for our minutes? Right, we put these double zeros, 0, 0. So this clock says 1 o'clock. And our last clock, so I have my hour hand, it's a little hard to see, the red is pointing to the 12. So I'm going to write 12 for my hour. And now I'm going to look for my minute hand, and my minute hand is now pointing to the 12. But I don't put that it's 12:12. What time does the clock show? Right, 12 o'clock. And to show o'clock in my numbers, I put 2 what? Right, 0, 0. So again, when you're writing your digital clock answer, you look first for the hour, and then write your hour. So my hour hand was pointing to the 5, which is the shorthand, and I put that for my hour. Then I look for my minutes, and my minute answer goes on the next side. So today you're going to practice with using your analog clock and digital clock. Can't wait to see it.